Femicide or feminicide is a sex-based hate crime term, broadly defined as the intentional killing of females because they are females, though definitions vary depending on its cultural context. Feminist author Diana E.H. Russell was the first person to define and disseminate this term in modern times, in 1976. She defines the word as the killing of females by males because they are female. Other feminists place emphasis on the intention or purpose of the act being directed at females specifically because they are female. Others include the killing of females by females. Often, the necessity of defining the murder of females separately from overall homicide is questioned. Intimate partner violence affects 3 in 10 women over a lifetime, and it is estimated that 13.5% of homicides globally involved intimate partners, and these percentage of killings are gendered. Opponents argue that, since over 80% of all murder victims are men, the term places too much emphasis on the less prevalent murder of females. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.